Hello students, I Prabha Sharma welcome you to the next content of the financial statements. This content belongs to the revision of the whole adjustments. But before to start the whole adjustments, one thing I want to make clear you listen the lesson number previous financial statement without adjustments and now the with adjustments. Look at first you should know about the how to adjust the without adjustments trial balance into the financial statement into the one side of the trading profit and loss and the balance sheet data, how to place. And when you know how to place, then the few additional adjustment you have to do with the numericals in additionally. So when it is additionally, it will be given outside the trial balance and double reaction, double entry system will be used to show the double reactions. But the trial balance items will already recorded, so the one side is left over to be shown as the part of one side will take the place, but the adjustment will take the two places as the debit as well as to react to the credit also. So I think this is the concept now. Again, I am reviewing the all the adjustments after placing the content now. You may see here the complete table is there which telling you the name of adjustments, then the journal entries, and then how to place and how to get the items into the profit and loss as well as to the balance sheet. Listen again, the closing stock journal entry, closing stock account debit to the trading account, closing stock will go to the asset side and to be placed on the credit side of the trading accounts. Now the outstanding expenses, that means the expenses to outstanding expenses, expenses will increase the value of expense, may be of related with the trading as well as to the profit and loss. Outstanding expenses will be placed to the liability side of balance sheet. Prepaid expenses entry is prepaid expenses to the expenses. Prepaid expenses will show to the asset side and the expenses means to expense means expenses will be reduced from the trading and the profit and loss account. Income earned but not received means called as accrued income. The entry is accrued incomes to income. Accrued income will go to the asset side and the to income means income will increase to profit and loss side, credit side. And now the income received in advance, that is the income to income received in advance, income will reduce to the profit and loss side and the income received means it will go to the liability side of the balance sheet. Depreciations to the asset, that is the journal entry of the depreciation. Depreciation will show to the debit side of the profit and loss account and will reduce the value of the asset side of the balance sheet. Provision for bad debts, doubtful debts, discount, all are to be shown first to the debtors. So profit and loss to the provision entry is will be shown to the profit and loss debit side and deduct from debtors. Provision for discount is also the provision for discount profit and loss account debit to provision for discount. That means it will be shown one time to the profit and loss account debit side and the deduct from the debtors. Manager's commission. Manager's commissions word means the commissions to the outstanding commissions. That means manager's commission will be shown to the debit side of the profit and loss and to outstanding word means liability side. Interest on capital account debit to capital for the interest on capital. So interest on capital will be debited and increase the value of capital, the liability side. Further bad debts to debtors means the it will be deducted from the debtors and then the to debtor means reduce the value of debtors. So placed on the debit side of the profit and loss as well as to the debtors. Now I am moving to the other adjustments like abnormal loss. You have the journal entry loss of goods to insure and the insurance company to purchase. That means loss of goods uninsured amount to the debit side of the profit and loss, insured company to the asset side, and to purchase means the total value will be reduced from the purchase. Charity in goods, that means the charity account debit to purchase. Charity will be shown to the profit and loss debit side, and to purchase means deduct from purchase. Free samples of the goods, advertisements to the purchase, advertisement to the profit and loss debit side, and then to purchase, deduct from purchase. Drawing in goods, the entry is drawings account debit to purchase. Then means drawing is to be deducted from the capital, and the value of purchase will be deducted from the trading accounts. Order placement, if order is placed and the entry has been recorded as purchase, then it will be reversed by crossing the entry like creditors to purchase. Deduct from the creditors from the liability side and deduct from the purchase from the trading accounts debit side. If order received, if the order received, it will not be supposed as sale, but if it is recorded as sale, then entry will be reversed. Sale account debit to debtors. So deduct from the sales account, credit side of the profit and loss account. And now the deduct from the customers from the asset side. Goods in transit and but recorded as purchased, then this entry will be passed. Goods in transit to purchase, goods in transit to be shown to the asset side, and the to purchase will deduct from the purchase from the trading accounts. So these are the techniques which you have to use. Think about the journal entry, and according to that, the reaction should be done. Thank you. Thank you.